Kitchen towel rack. Imported. 3 chrome, arm all-purpose rack. Arm spread out for rapid drying. Ideal for towels, washcloths, belts, or ties. Arms are hinged to sturdy die-cast backplate. Very easy to install and includes mounting hardware. A simple, handy product that will look great in any bathroom. This 3 chrome, arm all-purpose rack is a great product. Arm spread out for rapid drying. Ideal for towels, washcloths, belts, or ties. Arms are hinged to sturdy die-cast backplate. Very easy to install and includes mounting hardware. 19:1, 2x2 projection. Top reviews from the United States. Just what we needed. What a great looking and functional item. It's not an eyesore but has an awesome vintage vibe. We had a very small space between the window and cabinet. The mounting bracket fits with room to spare. Very sturdy. I had a concern that the arms didn't move freely enough, but once mounted, the arms can be moved easily. However, they aren't so loose that the arms swing when you don't want them to. Although my grandmother didn't have one of these, I bet if she found one she'd have loved it too.